a lodge feel in this open floor plan. Master bedroom suite on one side of home with 2 bedrooms and bath on the other side with a 2-room living area, kitchen, dining area, formal dining room along with a spacious laundry room in between. The garage is 820 square feet with 3 separate garage doors. Upstairs is a bedroom and bath with an enormous game room office and a separate media room. The bedroom upstairs even has a private balcony. There is a side entry garage with a circle drive in front of the home. There is an additional gravel driveway on the south end of this acreage. The front porch is massive and covered, and the back porch area is both covered and open with a covered kitchen that includes a sink and 2 grills plus extensive storage space. Off of the back patio is an elevated gazebo with a private spa area, and then further back is a small fire